Hello dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start with the fourth and the last part of our conditional sentences. Here in this video, I'm going to tell you something more about conditional sentences. Right? Let's start with the use of unless. Unless here means यदि अगर नहीं जब तक, right? तब तक नहीं. Like unless you go, I will inform the police. मैं पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म कर दूंगा इज द मेन क्लॉज हियर. अनलेस यू गो, दिस इज द कंडीशनल सेंटेंस. इफ यू डू नॉट गो, राइट, ये मैं सिंपल कर देता हूं आपके लिए कि इसका मतलब है इफ यू डू नॉट गो, अगर आप नहीं जाते हो, राइट, आई विल इन्फॉर्म द पुलिस. अनलेस यू वर्क हार्ड, जब तक, ओके, जब तक आप हार्ड वर्क नहीं करते, यू कांट पास. अनलेस यू रीड दिस बुक, यू कांट लर्न इंग्लिश. Unless you earn more money, you can't be rich. Unless you stop talking, I will not continue my class. Yes, dear student, you can understand that how we can use unless for conditional purpose here. How to use unless, right? Let's try to understand with the help of this formula. Unless plus affirmative. Unless के बाद affirmative लगता है, right? Is equal to ये क्या है? If plus negative के equivalent है. Unless plus subordinate plus principal, okay, principal clause ये नेगेटिव में है. Unless plus subordinate clause plus principal clause. So let's see the use of until. Until again, जब तक नहीं. Until he comes. एक और चीज मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि until का यूज टाइम के लिए किया जाता है. Until he comes back, कि जब तक वो वापस नहीं आता, you will wait for her. Until you complete your homework, I will stay here. Let me give you some example and to make comparison between unless and until. Unless you attend the college, you cannot pass your exam. Unless I have a visa, I cannot go to America. You will wait here unless the train arrives. You will wait here until the train arrives. You cannot achieve your goal and target until you work hard. You cannot achieve your goal unless you work hard. Right? Avoid using until in place of unless. As unless is used for condition, क्योंकि unless का use condition के लिए किया जाता है और until used for time. Hope you understood that. Use of in case. In case expresses the condition in form of possibility in future. In case means यदि ऐसा हो. Inform me, right? Inform me in case you need more money. मुझे inform करना यदि you need more money. Alright? यदि ऐसा हो. Turn on the light in case you need my help. Ring my doorbell in case he comes here. Report the police in case thief arrives. Call the teacher in case student make noise. Right? Slap her in case she abuse you. Learn this help book in case you could not understand this. Ask again in case you feel confusion. Hope you understood, dear student. These examples are very easy to understand. Right? And these are such examples in which you can see the possibility of fulfilling something in the future. क्यों? क्योंकि ये देखिए, in case क्या है? ये condition को express कर रहा है और ऐसी conditions, right, which can be fulfilled in the future. Like take an umbrella in case it rains. Send me a telegram in case you need my help. Don't forget to learn English in case you get opportunity. Don't forget to see Taj in case you go to Agra. Right? The principal clause plus in case. सबसे पहले देखिए main clause use की है, principal clause की है, which can tell itself clearly, अपना meaning पूरा बता सकता है. Principal clause इसको इसीलिए बोला जाता है. And then in case, then you can see subordinate clause and conditions. Use of once. Once means यदि एक बार. Once you take decision, stick to it. once you make a promise, keep it. यदि एक बार डिसीजन ले लिया तो stick to it. और एक बार प्रॉमिस कर दिया, keep it. Once you read this book, you will like it. Once they make noise in the class, they surely will get punishment. Dear student, see this example how there is a use of once. यदि एक बार, right? Subordinate clause and then principal clause. Now use of provided and provided that. Again, यदि बशर्ते I can lend you 500 rupees, मैं आपको 500 रुपए उधार दे सकता हूँ. Provided and provided that you return it within a month. बशर्ते और यदि आप एक महीने के अंदर वापस दो तो. Right? I can forgive you, provided that on condition that you don't commit such a mistake again. Right? I shall attend the meeting, provided he also attends. मैं मीटिंग को अटेंड करूंगा बशर्ते और यदि वो भी करता है. We shall support you provided and provided that you favor us. I can pay you rent provided that you get the roof repaired. I will spare you provided you learn your lesson as soon as possible. Use of suppose in conditional sentence. How can we use? Suppose a monkey comes here, what will you do? यदि, राइट, सपोज फिर से यहाँ पर हम यदि के रूप में इसको लेंगे. यदि मोंकी यहाँ आता है, आप क्या करोगे? पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क एंड द सेंटेंस. सपोज योर पापा कम्स हियर, व्हाट विल बी योर रिएक्शन? सपोज शी डजंट एग्री विद योर आइडिया, व्हाट कैन यू डू? सपोज ही डिडंट टर्न अप, व्हाट वुड यू डू? क्या करोगे आप? सपोज यू वॉन लॉटरी, व्हाट वुड यू डू? व्हाट वुड यू डू if you won lottery? Now, supposing all girls became boys, what would happen to the world? See here, supposing, right? Supposing and suppose the dead come back to life, what would happen? Right? In these examples, we are expressing some possibilities of in present and future. But almost these are such possibility which you cannot fulfill, जिसके पूरे होने की संभावना almost ना के बराबर होती है. Right now, use of but for. यदि ऐसा ना हुआ होता, like but for as if, यदि ऐसा ना हुआ होता, okay, it hadn't happened, okay, यदि ऐसा ना हुआ था, but for his help रमेश would have been ruined. यदि वो सहायता नहीं करता तो रमेश बर्बाद होता. But for the floods, यदि बाढ़ नहीं आई होती, I would have been arrived here yesterday. तो मैं कल ही आ गया होता. But for your company, I would have been bored. यदि तुम्हारा साथ ना होता तो मैं बोर हो गया होता. But for this help, I would have been punished. If it had not been this help, really, तो मुझे punishment हो गई होती. But for the rain, we would reach in time. Yes, dear student, these were some examples to know that how we can use but for, right? यदि ऐसा ना हो तो. Now let's study the use of so long. So long means जब तक. I shall support him so long he is here. जब तक वो यहाँ है मैं उसका समर्थन करूंगा. You can stay here so long. The owner is out of station. So long I am here. I will assist in your work. Next one is use of if only. Okay, if only. He lives here. We hope he will live here. If only she helped me. I hope that she will help me. Right? Example shows that if only plus present tense है और future tense, right? Will plus first form of the verb इसमें use किया जाता है. This express hope, right? If only say wish, regret and also expresses in the sentence according to sense, right? If only he didn't tell a lie, right? We wish he didn't tell a lie. We are sorry he tells a lie. If only she didn't drive so fast. We wish she didn't drive so fast. We are sorry she drives so fast, right? Shows wish, if only, and past. If only she would drive more cautiously. We are sorry that she is not willing to drive cautiously. If only the fog would disappear. We wish it would disappear, right? If only replace word in the sentence, right? We can use even should in the conditional sentences. Like, if you should have any difficulty in getting newspaper, comma, ring at this number. If these packets should arrive in a damaged condition, please inform the company at once. Should these packets arrive in a damaged condition, please inform the company at once. Dear student, these were some examples. There are some more using should as conditional sentence. See yourself. I hope you understood all about the use of conditional. Right? Go one more time to watch and to understand them properly. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.